As of this morning, the Republicans still have not voted on health care reform. We were told it would go on Thursday by 5 o'clock by Representative McCarthy, the majority leader. It didn't happen. They have holdouts inside the Republican Party. This is not coming from the Democrats, who are pledged to vote against it, but the Republicans can agree amongst themselves. Why is that? Well, you have people in the Freedom Caucus. And what do they want? They want Medicaid to be given to the states and scaled back in dollar amounts so the states can run it, as they say, more efficiently. They say people are getting health care that are above the poverty level, and that we have to do market forces to bring rates down in the insurance industry so that those people can afford to buy cheaper insurance. And to do that, they say you have to get rid of these required elements for all these different forms of care that drive up the cost, so that cheaper plans are available for people who only want those. Okay, that's the strategy for them. As for the poor, well, the states can handle that through Medicaid, and even some of the poor can rise up to the point of being able to buy this market-oriented health insurance. They also want to introduce the ability to go across state lines to buy insurance in like phase 2 or phase 3. Well, you can see that doesn't wash with more moderate Republicans who live in competitive districts, who see numbers like 24 million Americans will lose their health insurance. There's a big fight right now. Conservatives say, well, just because they have health insurance, they have a card, doesn't mean they can afford the deductible or afford to go to the doctor because their insurance is worthless. Well, guess what? You can't get agreement among Republicans in the House. How are you going to get agreement in the Senate, in the conference committee? It's a tough road. But Donald Trump likes to win, likes to cut deals, likes to cajole, likes to convince, twist arms. We'll see. This will be fascinating. If the vote is no, it could really unravel the Trump presidency for the next year, perhaps the rest of his term. The vote is yes, the plot thickens. It goes to the Senate. More deals are soon to be made. It's fun to watch. My 2 cents, my 2 minutes are brought to you by Edge Construction and Capital Consultants. Bill McCutcheon, a lobbyist who worked for Tommy, who knows how to get things done downtown. Let's talk about this and more Monday at 8 on the Mitch Henck Show on madison.com.